It may not be obvious at first, but all of these vehicles have something in common. They're all extremely tough on their batteries. Some because of vibration, the constant pounding that can destroy a battery's connections and plates, ultimately causing it to fail. Some because of frequent deep discharges that require a battery to be recharged again and again, eventually causing power loss. And still others because of their huge power demands. Onboard computers, cell phones, big sound systems, DVDs, navigation and security systems, and power accessories of every kind. Fact is, most batteries just aren't designed and built to supply the extreme power, vibration resistance, and deep cycling ability that today's vehicles require. But one battery is. Odyssey, the Extreme battery. What makes the Odyssey battery different? For starters, pure lead, shown here being used to manufacture the plates in this high-tech Odyssey battery manufacturing facility in Warrensburg, Missouri. Unlike most batteries that use a lead alloy, the Odyssey battery's plates are made of 99.99% pure virgin lead. What's the advantage? Pure lead allows the battery's plates to be made thinner, which means that more plates can fit into the battery's case. More plate surface area means more power and faster recharging. In fact, the Odyssey battery has twice the power of similar-sized conventional design batteries, and it has the highest recharge efficiency of any sealed lead battery on the market, 90+% in less than 15 minutes, 100% recharge in 4 to 6 hours. Let's look inside the Odyssey battery to see why we call it the Extreme battery. The first thing you'll notice is the Odyssey battery's absorbed glass mat or AGM design. Unlike flooded batteries with liquid acid that can leak out, the Odyssey battery's pure lead plates are pressed against glass mats that hold and distribute the electrolyte. These plates and AGM pads are compressed before insertion to expand and fill the battery case. This totally sealed leak-proof design gives the Odyssey battery some important advantages. It's maintenance-free, no need to ever add water. It's spill-proof even if installed on its side. It has no escaping gases, so it can be installed inside the cabin area. And it's resilient, able to recover from up to 400 charge-discharge cycles from a deep discharge of 80%. With a cycle life that's 70% longer than conventional deep cycle batteries, it's not surprising that the Odyssey battery has a longer service life, from 3 to 10 years. This extreme cycling ability makes Odyssey the perfect battery for applications that can discharge the battery deeply and frequently. For example, today's heavily accessorized SUVs, power boats with battery-powered electronics and accessories, bass boats with battery-powered trolling motors, tuner cars with huge power-sapping sound systems, trucks that need to comply with new no-idling laws, police and emergency vehicles that depend on a wide range of electronic and specialty equipment. In fact, the Odyssey battery's deep cycling ability enables municipal, trucking, and service fleets to cut costs by enabling personnel to turn off their engines but keep their auxiliary equipment running off of battery power. Most batteries can't handle the power drain from onboard equipment, but the Odyssey battery can. For an estimate of potential savings, fleet managers can plug their own numbers into the Odyssey Fleet Saver online calculator at this web address. In addition, the Odyssey battery with no applied electrical load retains its power even after months of storage, which makes it ideal for vehicles that can sit unused for long periods of time. This includes collectible cars, boats and personal watercraft, snowmobiles and motorcycles, and seasonal equipment like garden, farm, and construction vehicles. Of course, there are other AGM batteries on the market, including popular spiral design, or as they're sometimes called, six-pack batteries. But they can't match the starting and reserve power of an Odyssey battery. Here's why. In a spiral design battery, there is a good deal of wasted space, about 15% of the battery's volume. The Odyssey battery uses every bit of space inside the case to maximize plate surface area. As a result, it has more than 28% more cold cranking amps and up to 40% more reserve capacity than typical spiral design batteries. For boat owners, the unique design of the Odyssey battery makes it simple to choose the right battery. No longer is it necessary to decide between a marine starting or a marine deep cycling battery, because the Odyssey battery is both. Like an athlete that is both a sprinter and a long-distance runner, the Odyssey Trolling Thunder Marine Dual-Purpose Battery has both massive starting power and amazing deep cycling capability, up to 400 cycles at 80% depth of discharge. With twice the overall power and 3 times the life of conventional marine batteries, the Odyssey battery is ideal for trolling, starting, and for powering the many onboard electronic accessories common in today's boats. Maybe that's why the Odyssey battery is the choice of so many professionals, including champion bass fisherman, Legends of the Outdoors Hall of Famer, and host of One More Cast, Shaw Grigsby. It's also the choice of the Bigfoot team, whose monster trucks put the Odyssey battery to the ultimate test of vibration resistance. And for racing enthusiasts, there's the Odyssey Extreme Racing Battery, proven in competition by professional race teams like Richard Childress Racing. This rugged battery has the power needed to start high-compression racing engines. In fact, the maker of Odyssey batteries, EnerSys, is a technical sponsor to RCR. And like all Odyssey batteries, it's built to survive, with tightly packed AGM plates inside its rugged casing, epoxy bonded intercell connections to resist vibration and eliminate internal sparking, and alloy-coated brass terminals for corrosion-free connections. No wonder the entire family of Odyssey batteries is backed by some of the strongest warranties in the industry. Want extreme power, performance, and reliability? Get Odyssey, the Extreme Battery, and look for Odyssey Ultimizer chargers for automotive, heavy-duty, and marine, handheld portalizer, battery, and electrical system testers, and Odyssey battery-polished aluminum hold-down kits, custom-made for a range of specialty Odyssey batteries. For more information or to find an Odyssey dealer, visit odysseybattery.com.